Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2007 Honda Accord 2.4. We are doing an alternator. Looks like this alternator is a little bit different than the other ones. Most of the other ones have bolts that go through the side right there. These have ones that protrude out the front. A little bit easier to get to the bolts. I like it. Alright, so I've got this cool little tool right here, factory style tool to take that tension off. You can put a standard ratchet on there, but the nice extension here gives you plenty of leverage in order to be able to get this off. The only downside is you have to kind of do this in order the hood prop out of the way. Otherwise, not going to happen. So, hard on me. Built off, let that sit up there. See, voila. So we're going to move the belts out of the way. Disconnect our little connector here. So we're going to have to move it down and out of the way in order to get to the connector, or to get the stud and stuff like that for the power supply. But no big deal. These should be 12s. Let's check. And they are. So I'm going to use my ratchet. Loosen that up down there first before I use the power tool. Wrench ratchets work fine, 3/8 ratchets work fine. Just whatever we can do to get your leverage. Yeah. I got not much of a picture right now until I get the thing loosened. Go. Loosen them up. You can zip them off. Top one's different size than the other ones, so you can't really confuse them. Oh, and of course, always disconnect your positive before you mess with any of the fun stuff over here. 10. Clips to take off. Take this out. Alright, some clips. Move. Basically just an inlay to hold the harness and stuff in the way. Alright, so now how to get the alternator out. Do it a couple different ways. You can bend this tube down, snake it out this way, or you can take off the power steering pump. So either way is up to you. Me, I'm gonna Bend the AC line out of the way. And slide this little sucker go this way and out. There we go. One alternator. Same thing. Back in, like I said. Oh, look at that. We actually have a good one on there this time. Top bolt. Kind of hard to see back in there, but you can definitely fish it in. One spot for it to go to. Finger tight, and then do the bottom too. That one's in. Look at that, where'd my glove? Oh, what'd I tell you? What'd I forget? What'd I forget? Get ahead of myself. Inlay groove this thing sits in so it doesn't walk around everywhere. Good and tight. And we're not German. Good and tight is universal. Try it again. Pull back through. A couple turns in there. Same thing at the bottom. Too much of an issue. Actually, a lot simpler than doing the other one. Because the other one, sometimes you gotta lift the motor up in order to get that bottom bolt out so it passes by the frame right over there. So this one is actually a lot more simple to doing that type of a job. Alright, and then bolt up. Bolt. Back on. Those could be a little fun. Not too much though. Because I have to figure out how to hold your mouth the right way and get it past all this. So here we go. Actually, you know what? Got an idea. Look at this. Ta-da. Slip it over, and everything's on. Look at that. Piece of pie. All right, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.